Today I'm fixing hole in knit sweater. The hole is pretty large and is located in the armpit area. Looks to me like it's just a broken stitch that was holding the seam in place. So there is no rip in the fabric, which is great for me. It will be much easier to fix. Although it's a knit sweater, the raw edges of the sides are nicely finished, therefore I can just use regular sewing thread for sewing, or I can use yarn or an embroidery floss to close shut this hole. The sewing thread should be matching the fabric color. First I'm gonna cut a length of thread about 3 to 4 lengths of that broken seam, so measure that and then like triple or quadruple the length of that broken seam. The original seam was stitched with the chain stitch, and I will be stitching it with chain stitch as well. So I start off by threading the needle, and I use my needle threader to speed up this process, and I tie a small knot at the end of the thread. Once I'm done with that, I lay the garment flat on a clean surface. Then I look for any broken seam and gently remove any loose or frayed threads. And then I align the fabric edges so they match your original seam line. If you want it, you can pin or clip the edges together to hold them in place. And then I start sewing. I insert the needle from like the top towards me. It's not a wrong side because both of those sides are wrong, right? The right sides of the fabric are touching each other, and I am stitching on the wrong side of the fabric. So once I insert the needle and pull it towards me, I hide the knot on the one side and then insert the needle back into the fabric close to where it came out, forming a small loop of thread on the surface. Bring the needle up through the fabric inside that loop before pulling the thread tight. This catches the first chain link, and then I repeat the process by inserting the needle back into the fabric near the end of the previous stitch. And always bring the needle up through the new loop before tightening. Keep the stitches even and consistent in size for a neat appearance. I am using a contrast color thread just so you can see it better and it's easier for you to understand the process. Also, I'd like to point out that when I start stitching a broken seam, I usually start my stitch about an inch before the hole starts, and then I end the stitch about an inch away from where the hole ends. So I'm adding an inch at the beginning of the hole and another inch at the end of the hole, if that makes sense. Just to make sure that the stitch is nice and tight and secure and it will not undo itself. Continue along the seam until the entire broken section is stitched and repaired. Okay, that looks great. I'm almost done stitching this hole. At the end of the seam, make a small back stitch to lock the final loop in place, and pass the needle through the last loop and pull tight to form a knot. So then insert the needle into the fabric near the knot and bring it out a short distance away just to hide that thread tail. And once you do that, just trim any excess thread, and that's it. I think it looks great. That's the chain stitch as the original seam was finished with. And let's double check the right side of the fabric. How does it look? Is it nice and tight? I think it looks amazing, awesome. And let me try it on and see how that is. That looks perfect. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.